children were subdued and relaxed, and he went on to do a formal trial and to show the value of the medication, and it remained in the repertoire ever since, but the outcomes in trials changed. Initially it was reading better, intellectual gain, then it became more relaxed and more sociable and less aggressive, and then it started to be, in the 60s, that it was hyperkinesis that was improving. And by 1963, when Leon Eisenberg was starting the really first very good trials, good quality trials, then it was overactivity and learning and disobedience that was the improvements. So the development of the technology led to the development of the idea of what the disorder was. Not due to the drug companies, they weren't funding this research. And then there are important other lines that are coming in at the same time. So this is John Balby, who wrote Childcare and the Growth of Love. And what he's emphasizing is about how early relationships and early attachment relationships in particular, when they go wrong, that the child is left with an emotional blank, and they're left in serious trouble. And other kinds of science were coming in as well. So this is Leo Kanner himself, who described autism. This is Judith Rappaport, developing biological psychiatry in Washington, in America. This is Michael Rutter, developing social child psychiatry and epidemiology at the Institute of Psychiatry. Developmental research came in to work out longitudinally what the risks are in childhood. Laboratory research has come in to measure the genes and the chemistry. And the brain scanners arrived just a few years ago, in which really for the first time in the last 5 or 10 years, it's been possible to look inside the brains of children and see what's happening in disorder. Because before that, a lot of the methods of investigating adults' mental health problems involved X-rays,